Hi everyone, welcome to the Knitting Turnpike. Today I'm going to be showing you the Cathedral Grove pattern. This was the 2019 annual mystery knit along for Romi Hill. It's a shawl knit with two colors, a half circular shawl. Has the shawl started right here in the center, I believe with a garter tab cast on. Then it goes into this beautiful ribbon lace pattern with yarn overs. Into this design here. I just love the leaves. I mean, look at the detail here. Even the little branch portion. I can't think of what that's called. Biology is failing me. I love this color, this purple color. It's tonal, but it's got different shades of purples in it. Look at these cables in here. They're just so beautiful in this design. Goes to this section here. Gorgeous design, and these are just a little slip stitch pattern. I'll come back to that. Let me just focus on this right now. Really beautiful. And then, like I said, these little designs, a little slip stitch pattern here with two colors, just so cute. Just is a nice way to start the transition to the next color. And then to this border. This border is just such a gorgeous design, and the way it's supposed to be blocked, you know, it's just this point. I can't think of what that's called. It's a really pretty design. Pretty edging. I need better descriptive words. I just keep saying pretty and beautiful over and over again. Sorry about that. But anyway, really gorgeous shawl, gorgeous design. It's a great pattern to knit. All her patterns are well written, well designed. Have charts and the pattern written out. Very easy to follow. Just gorgeous shawl. Again, Cathedral Grove shawl by Romi Hill, her 2019 annual mystery knit along. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel. It would make my day, and you guys have a wonderfully blessed day. Thank you so much.